So once again, we're going to go ahead and start with the very top wire, and again you have to figure out where the heck that top wire is. So the top wire here, we're going to go ahead and connect to the pad marked DP as before. And then the second one from the top is A. And the third from the top is B. And etc. The fourth from the top is C, then D, E, F, and all the way through G. Alright, well there's the bottom one soldered, so that's G soldered there, and now we're going to go ahead and start soldering these wires here, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the leftmost wire. So this leftmost wire on the bottom here is going to go to the pad marked 0 down here. And then the second one from the left is going to go to pad marked 1. And then the third one from the left is going to go to the pad marked 2. And etc. all the way through the very last wire here, number 7, that's going to go to the pad 7. And then the very last wire on the right here, that goes to the pad marked 7. And when you switch the switch on the battery pack, the LED matrix should light up. So in this one, looks like I messed up a little more. So it looks like this row and this row are messed up, along with the top right LED. So I've shown how to fix these rows, and I think the column is messed up with that LED. So the columns are the wires that connect the LEDs like that, and these ones are a little bit trickier to fix. And then I also have to fix these two over here. So to fix a column problem, so that top left LED doesn't work, so it's most likely the wire that connects it to all these LEDs like so. So what you need to do is just take your soldering iron, take your solder, and then heat up that very bottom wire here. Well, it looks like we got a bad LED here, and I might as well show you how to fix that. So since it's on the end here, we're going to go ahead and desolder this wire here. There's that. And then what I like to do is just clip off the leads as close to the LED as possible. And there we go. There's the bad LED. And then we'll take one of our spare LEDs, we'll bend the short pin down, and then using our credit card method, we're going to bend the long pin over. There we go. I've got to place it like so. So I'm going to trim off a little more of the pins here. And then we're going to try to place the matrix back into the template. Doesn't have to be in all the way, just a little bit. So, like that's fine. And then place your LED here. Looks like I'll need to trim off a little more. This LED. There we go, that LED's aligned. Now I just have to solder here and there. So the LED is soldered in place, and I just have to reconnect that wire. Alright, here we go. Oh, looks like that fixed it. So now we just have to fix this column. Yep. And that's what we'll do. Alright, now that everything is fixed, I'm going to go ahead and just patch up this LED with a little black paint. And that's that. That's all the matrices assembled, and all we have to do is just glue them into the goggles here.